Sheela purchased a second-hand washing machine for rupees 5,000 and spent rupees 4,400 on its repair. She sold it for rupees 6,300. Find her lost or profit percent. Total cost price is equal to rupees 5,000 plus overhead expenses is equals to rupees 5,000 plus rupees 400 is equal to rupees 5,400. Selling price is equals to rupees 6,300. Therefore, selling price greater than cost price. Therefore, profit is equals to rupees 6,300 minus rupees 5,400 is equal to rupees 900, or profit percent is equals to 900 divided by 5,400 into 100. 50 divided by 3%, 50 by 3%, or 16:2 by 3%. Thus, she earned a profit of 16:2 by 3%.